Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. We are conducting workshop in Chennai and Bengaluru. Bengaluru, I think 19th and 20th of this month, and Chennai early next month. So, now last 1 year it was a struggling period for option writers, but now the SEBI is taking a severe action against people like Jane Street. Hopefully, the golden period, a comeback for option writers. So, if you are interested in attending the workshop, you can consider joining our classes. Description, you can see the details. You can contact our office. No Jane Street, no fun in the market. Today, it was absolutely flat. At the end of the day, Nifty future is up 1 point and Nifty spot up 0.3 point. It was totally, absolutely flat. And but forget about the Jane Street that I said just for fun. But even otherwise, I'm expecting this market to be sideways until this Thursday. Any action that can come only on Friday after the TCS results. Today, some stocks were down, some stocks were up. Reliance was higher, but banking stocks were down. And banking stocks, I tell you, it was consolidating between 54,000 and 56,000 for a long time. Then the RBI policy came, jumped to 57,000. Then again, it is just consolidating around 57,000. Like if anybody has done 57,000 short straddle, they would have made good money in the last few weeks. So Bank Nifty has actually underperformed. And India VIX was slightly higher. So that's because, for a long time, if the Nifty is trading in one place, you're sure that, either the market will move higher or lower significantly from that level. So we don't know whether this is accumulation or distribution. So by that expectation, the India VIX was slightly higher, but long-term options all like, both calls and puts collapsed. Today, what is a very, very significant thing I can note, after a very, very long time, FMCG index has shot up more than 1%. And almost all the FMCG stocks are higher today. And this is happening after a long, long time. And you remember, FMCG index is the worst performing index among the major indices, I would say. And many FMCG stocks are 20-25% lower from their respective all-time highs. So that means that some people are seeing value in these stocks. And moreover, since last October, these FMCG stocks have been under pressure, and probably some people are expecting some good results from FMCG sector. As I told you earlier, the Bank Nifty has outperformed, then other sectors will have to catch up at some point of time. IT index is struggling, FMCG is struggling, auto is struggling. But today, first day, there is some sign of revival in FMCG sector. But whether this, will be sold into or FMCG stocks continue to rally, that we will be able to know in the next few trading sessions. So if FMCG revives, then it's good that, markets are just consolidating. So if the market has to break out, last time actually the breakout came because of RBI policy. But what is going to be the next trigger? Maybe TCS results may be a trigger, or maybe some index heavyweight like ITC, Hindustan Unilever results. Well, usually ITC results come very late. Probably Hindustan Unilever results may come earlier. And so, some trigger is required, corporate result wise. But generally, if there is any tariff agreement between India and US or any other, global tariff related good news, market can go higher. But anyway, as of now, it's just a game of consolidation, and option writers are very, very happy. And option writers are more happy because people like Jane Street is out of the market now, and markets are just not moving anywhere, and the premiums are coming down slowly. So there is nothing much to discuss because FII data, I'm sure it's not out by this time. Significant thing last Friday is that both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers in cash market after a long time. They both were sellers. But despite that, US futures lower and FII and DII were net sellers. But despite that, our market did not fall, just consolidating. So I stand by my view that 25,000 to 26,000. But today's Monday, we have only 3 more trading sessions. And then after that, we'll decide based on the TCS results. Right? So until then, it's going to be just consolidation only. There's nothing much. So like when the market consolidates, neither bulls nor bears are happy, but option traders are happy. So you can see from my face, right? I'm very happy. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.